Simon leaving, Chef. He don't want to be bothered with you, bro. Simon like, put me back up in the thing, bro. Go get Simon, Chef. Get him. Go get him. He's like, nope. I gotta find some rope. I'm gonna tie him up. Tie Simon up and let him outside. I found out squirrels can eat turtles.
Aww.
That's no good. Simon said, I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all done tripped. This is my chance to actually escape. So like, don't go over by my food, bro. I don't care about nothing else. Where you go. Just stay away from my food. I see him. You finna eat some of your food. You finna eat your food, Shadow.
Over to like England.
And nothing. Simon. Come here, Simon. Come here, Simon. You finna go outside, bro. Get you some fresh air. How that sound? What you think, Shell? Should we do that?
You gonna let him go?
Let him go. Do you want me to let you go, Shadow? And so that was a foolish question then, too.
I didn't come from outside.
All right.
You're gonna have to come do this. Can you do it?
I don't want you eating out none of that mouth stuff, huh? Hey, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Good boy, Shadow. Look at his tail waggle, y'all, for me. He don't really do that for me. He do it for Courtney. Good boy, Shadow. Good girl, Courtney. Good girl. He don't like me. He don't like me praising Courtney. And what's that about, y'all? Y'all want to tell me what that's about with Shadow? I'm finna breathe deep. Look. Good boy, Shadow. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You want to eat? Want to get something to eat? What was that? Go get it. Shadow don't know Stewie creeping up on him. He was just asleep. Stewie said, yeah, I think I might not want to go that way.
Have we become the animal kingdom in the Johnson household?
Shadow looked up like, no.
We have birds and a turtle. Don't shout an animal. He's our first little fur baby. And he is not. The turtle, right here, Stewie, and 2 birds, 2 parrots.